Good morning everyone. Today we are executing workshop seminar. Our topic is relation and function. First topic is Christian product of set. The set in which all possibilities included. There are two sets, set A and set B. Set A contains set of all colors and set B contains set of three objects B, C, S. Now multiply set A and B. We have found red. They are two color, red, blue, and B have the component BCS. So we multiply, get RB, B, blue B, red C, blue C, red S, blue S. These are the outcomes which have coming. There are some remarks. First is two ordered pairs are equal if their corresponding first equal and the second element also equal. Second is if A and B are set, then A into B is not equal to B into A. Third is A into A is in which A, B, C is belonging to A, and this is called ordered triplet. And fourth is A, if we multiply A into null set, then we get null set. Fifth is number of element A into B equal to number of element in A plus number of element in B. And sixth is number of element in A into B into C is equal to number of element in A plus number of element in B plus number of element in C. This is the one example for Christian product. Here we take A equal to X, Y, Z and B is 1. We have to multiply A into B and B into A to show that the A into B is not equal to B into A. We have to multiply A into B, we get X1, Y1, Z1, and when we multiply B and A, then we get 1X, 1Y and 1Z. They changing in position, so AB is not equal to BA. This is relation. Relation is relationship between two or more set of values. Example, A equal to 4, 5, 6 and B equal to 8, 9, 10. A relation R from set A to B is the subset of the Christian product and set of A and B. In any relation, the set of all first number is known as domain. Example, there are two sets. One is 1, A equal to 1, 2 and B equal to 3, 4, 6. Here the first element is 1, 2, so the domain is A equal to 1, 2. And second is set of second element is known as range. Example, here two domain is given. First is 1 and A equal to 1, 2 and second is B equal to 3, 4, 7. So in this set we have to, this set is known as range because this is second element. We have another example, A equal to 4, 2 and B equal to 5, 6, but this is known as range. This is the second element. Third is the whole second element is known as codomain. Example, there are two sets, one A equal to 4, 3 and B equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So B term is known as codomain. Our next topic is function. Function is the each input has only one output and every element of a non-empty set only one image or range. There are 9 types of function. First is real valued function, second is real function, third identity function, fourth constant function, fifth polynomial function, sixth rational function, seventh modulus function, eighth sinus function, 9 greater integer function. Our next topic is real valued function. A function whose one of its subsets is its range. Example, fx equal to 2n or n equal to 0 plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. The second topic is real function. Real function, if the function have domain is either R or subset of R. Example, 2n equal to n equal to 0 or plus minus 1 or plus minus 2. Third is identity function. Identity function is f such that R is R to R by y is equal to fx equal to f and x is belong to R. This function's graph is making a straight line. The graph of this function is passes through origin Example, fx equal to 0. Here the graph of fx.